Hi, this is Bill Kemp with Kemp Windowscom, and welcome to Tip Tuesday. And today's tip of the week is, what is the difference? What is the difference in buying windows the traditional way and buying windows the KempWindowscom way? Well, buying windows the traditional way, you're going to spend between 6 and 9 hours. That's if you talk to 2 or 3 companies, and gathering appointments, gathering estimates, and so forth. Then it's going to take you between 2 to 3 months to get your windows installed in your home. Or you can simply deal with KempWindowscom. You see, we're not only a window company, but we're a technology company. We can serve you in over 43 different markets. Just go to our website and see which markets we are in. But what makes us different is you can go to our website, put in the number of windows, put in the style of windows. The website automatically computes your price. You put in your information, your name and address, and your email address. We send out a production manager to actually measure your windows. Once your windows are measured, we order your windows. It takes 2 to 3 weeks for your windows to come in. We then install your windows. We make sure you're happy, and then you pay us. See, I haven't said anything about a deposit or anything like that because you don't put any money down until you're 100% satisfied. With a promise like that, you cannot get hurt. No money down until the job is completed and you are satisfied. If you want more information, check us out at KempWindowscom. See you next week.